We're back with breaking updates coming in. At least 14 people have been killed and several others have been injured after a massive fire broke out at a hotel in central Kolkata's Bara Bazar area. And according to the Kolkata Police Commissioner, the fire was brought under control and rescue teams have recovered 14 bodies from the hotel. My colleague Pooja is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pooja, what led to the fire? What are the details?
Well, absolutely, a massive fire broke out in Kolkata's Machua area. Remember, this particular hotel, Ritu Raj Hotel, is located in central Kolkata, and around 7:30 p.m. last evening, a massive fire was reported in this particular hotel. There were several people who were inside the hotel rooms and they got stuck amidst, smoke billowing out of their rooms, and they could not escape the fire. But what we're given to understand is that the fire was brought under control at 3 a.m. this morning. And the Kolkata Police Commissioner, Mr. Manoj Verma, has gone on to confirm that 14 lives have been lost in this massive fire that broke out last evening, and several others continue to remain injured and they are undergoing treatment at several hospitals in Kolkata. But also at this point in time, we're told that there were people who could not escape the fire. They got stranded inside their hotel room. Some even got stranded in the staircase later on, whose body were found. So clearly there are also visuals where it shows that people were trying to escape the fire. One particular person tried to jump off the window and he died because of that. And several others were also rescued by the firefighters and also the fire department officials from the windows. There were hydraulic ladders that were pressed into service and they were rescued. But massive fire claiming 14 people's lives, and this is what the Kolkata police has said, that some people continue to remain critical and are undergoing treatment at Kolkata hospitals.
Okay, all right. It's a massive fire tragedy, Pooja. Any details of what the condition is of the survivors? You mentioned that some are also in a critical condition, and has an investigation and have been ordered into what led to the fire, and have the operations ended?
Well, the firefighting operation has currently ended. It ended around 3 a.m. this morning, but the Kolkata police has now set up a special investigation team to ascertain the cause of fire and also to understand whether this hotel had any fire exit or not. It's also going to be investigated whether these people could not escape because there was a fire exit missing, or whether firefighting equipment were present or not. So these are the things which will be investigated once the SIT springs into action. On the other hand, the people who are critical and undergoing treatment have suffered serious burn injuries. Some of them have also suffocated and have breathing issues. So currently they are being treated at hospitals, but few of them continue to remain critical at this point in time.
Okay, all right. Pooja, thank you for joining us with those details. Unfortunately, in many such incidents, the hotels are accused of violating the norms that lead to such massive tragedies. But questions also need to be raised of the authorities on why there was no crackdown on the same. Thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll see you on the other side.